Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tanish, and today I will be making nature salad. Nice and easy, everybody healthy. Let's go. Okay, so now we're gonna make our salad dressing with some olive oil, red wine vinegar, some salt, and some black pepper. Mix it well, guys. Then you can taste it, and if you need some lemon, go ahead and add some. And then mix very well. Combine everything together. Then I have some freshly washed spinach. Add your salad dressing and mix it very well. Now that is nice and good, please remember to subscribe, leave me a comment below, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thank you in advance for liking, subscribing, and commenting. Now I'm going to add my grape, apple, blueberries, strawberries, and a little splash of ginger, guys. Mix that very well. And there you have it, guys. A healthy, delicious nature salad. Enjoy this for lunch, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, guys. Enjoy. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.